Hey guys, Jonathan Davis here. Check out this absolutely awesome 2016 Harley-Davidson Road Glide. Obviously a big wheel bike, completely custom top to bottom. This bike is a one owner bike since day one of ownership, owned by the same guy. It was traded in directly here at Davis AutoSports. He bought this bike brand new, sent it to BX Custom Designs when the bike had roughly 5,000 miles on it, and did a $50,000 build. Everything you see on this bike was done at BX Customs. Top of the line everything. Like I said, a $50,000 build on top of what the bike cost. Drives out amazing, sounds amazing, looks amazing. It is beautiful top to bottom. 14,900 miles. A mixture of a satin silver paint. There's some gloss areas in there as well. It is absolutely beautiful. Full spec sheet will be on our listing on our website, davisautosports.com. Bike is very easy to drive. Paint job is a really must-see in person. The blending, the fading, it's just absolutely beautiful. The mixtures of high gloss clear versus satin. As mentioned, it's a 2016 bike. The build was done at 5,000 miles. I mean, this thing looks absolutely brand new. One owner bike since day one. Garage kept, obviously. Attention to detail is perfect on this bike. Those are just all reflections. Satin is absolutely gorgeous. the keys. I believe there's 3 sets of them in here. All right, guys, so here's a quick walk around of the trailer. 7x14, I believe. Drexler axles, 3,500 pounds each, so 7,000 pound trailer. This is RC's top of the line trailer for this configuration. They actually built this for a showcase event that they had going on to show all of their options. So this is a full platform tent pull out, if you will. I'll show you the inside. It literally takes a minute to set up. So you got your privacy drops here, which those can roll up as well. But essentially it just collapses down. The mattress goes in between here. Only thing you have to do is connect this support bar across and that beam stays in and just folds down. So it's super, super quick. These can obviously stay up or down. You can zip yourself in all the way. that closes to close in. You have a full breaker box with your main AC. It's prepped for AC. You got your 240, nice shelving system, spare, and of course your mount for your tire. Full power, but definitely a really nice little trailer. It is missing one cable, still functions as it should. That's a quick, easy fix if that's what you want to do. We're selling it just the way it is. We don't sell trailers, but this is a really nice trailer. That tent is just a cool feature to have. Probably won't use it a whole lot, but that's it.